Custom Graphics in Jacksonville, Florida. We are working on a 2016 Aston Martin Vantage S. We did a Max 360, Maxi-Eye 360 Escort radar laser jammer. We put the laser shifters right here in the front. So those are both level horizontally and vertically, and they point straight forward. The radar detector is right there in the front grille, hidden out of the way. V12, that's pretty sweet. And then back here, we put the laser shifters in the back, and then the radar sensor for the rear is actually in that bumper right here. You go through plastic. These have to be exposed. And then coming inside, did the display. Turn the steering wheel on. Gotta work out some more. Did the display right there in the front, so you can see it. Then we did the little controller right here, volume up and down, mute. So if you're in Jacksonville, give us a call, 904-333-2322. 904-333-2322. Check us out online, audiodesigncg.com.